Hello, this is my lava lamp experiment number 1. This is my lava lamp number 2, and I am going to put some citric acid in, and I've already put some baking soda in. Daddy gave it a shake, and that's what is, and the bubbles at the top, they became stronger, and now it's all coming down.
How do you think that's going to last for?
It rises and then go burst out the top. Isn't it?
No, because the gas coming up is escaping out the top of the test tube.
But what if it didn't?
Well, it would explode. What do you think's happening?
It's rising, and then it's going further out to the top.
Why is it rising?
Because of the fizz.
So what's the fizz doing?
It's making it rise. Which one do you think's better? Do you think? I'm thinking that one there. I'm just going to put a drop of red in, okay? Let's see what it does this time. So there's the red down there. Just there, that's the red there. The red's kicking in. Daddy, I just see a bit of a reaction up there that's showing some of the red as well. Daddy, turn it a bit. Let's see what it's doing on not this bit. That's good.